Let's take a look at a quick Google business profile opening date setup here so that you can see what this looks like. If you're not already familiar, when you add this information onto your profile, when somebody does a search, like let's just say log here, Spokane, Washington, you'll see it says 3+ years in business, 3+ years in business, 15+ years in business. So if you've been in business for, a decade or two, it can be really helpful to add that in here. And all you do is add in when you opened. So I'll show you how you do that. First of all, you got to log into your business profile. So when you're logged in, you should see this. It'll say like, you manage this business profile or your business on Google. You just do it on Google nowadays. So you may need to toggle in the top right. You can switch between different emails. If you're logged into more than one Google email account or Google account, you might need to switch between those, just a heads up. But once you're logged into your account, if you click on this edit profile option here, you can see this pop up, and then you should see opening date. If you edit that, it is going to give you an option here to add in when your business opened. So I don't know, let's say 2016 or something. Can't remember exactly what this. I'm not actually going to save it, but so you put in the actual date when this business opened, and then click save. And doing that is going to allow our business to show this little badge here that says however many years we've been in business. Now, if you're a brand new business, I don't think it's going to show anything kind of like this one. So it can really only benefit you. So it doesn't necessarily hurt to add it in here. And then 3 years later, you might forget about it, and now it's showing up and giving you an extra little boost. So I would actually just add it in, even if it's today that you opened your business. Just put it in here, save it, and then that will start showing up. At some point, hopefully, here when you've been in business for many, many years. So that's basically it. I hope you found that helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and we'll be sure to get back to them there.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with SEO anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below. And we do provide SEO for different businesses in different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here. And really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and look forward to working with you.